Nag-i-snow na naman po dito.
Taking the snow off of here.
Look at my boyfriend.
Bro, taking the snow off my truck.
Look at my boyfriend. See? It's how many hours, love? Having the snow? 2 hours. Just imagine. They cover up the cars here, the roads, mga houses dito. See? Look at this tree. Okay, brush, brush, brush. Look at this car. And look at this. Yan. Dito kami sa US. See? Tingnan nyo naman yung mga trees dito. Yan. Ngayon to. Since 7 a.m. in the morning. Yan. Sana nakikita nyo yung snow. Yan. Parang sasampal sa mukha mo yung snow. Ayan. Ito lang naman yung dinadaanan ko. Everyday papunta sa school. Pero 5 minutes lang naman mula dun sa apartment ko. Yan, yung kulay brown na apartment. Going dito sa school namin. So 5 minutes walking. Actually 3 minutes nga lang kapag walang snow. Pero pag may snow, medyo mabagal ako maglakad. Kasi madulas na siya. Ayan. So ito lang, pinakita ko lang po sa inyo yung pagka nag-snow dito. Bye!